Okay, Hewan.
I'm coming here, boy.
DJ Mila.
Bomboklat. Bomboklat. Jeez. Chiwa jolly. Aralechi. Ijolle nech. Ijolle. Bomboklat. Clap it up. La DJ Mila. Clap it up. Clap it up. Clap it up. Okay, DJ Mila. Okay. Huh? What is the year no Afrobeat? Afrobeat is going crazy this time. DJ Mila, big up, big up, big up DJ Mila. Run it by my selector.
DJ Mila.
Best. Oh, hey. Bullet clap. Sheesh. Oh my days, bro. The quality of the song is crazy. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. God dang. Dita about to tell us when not sound on some touch. But oh my god. Aroboy and metaku the comment like Idigi go down. Go down, Idigi go down. Milo Aroboy. Big up to you, man. He's a big artist by the way, Agaru. I think he's from Tanzania or somewhere. Bichaka East Africano, Aroboy. The East African collaboration of the year. Belenwan. Hewan. I never expect this kind of collaboration. Hewan. Nah, big up to Hewan. Respect. You know. አንዳንዴ ወደ ነጮቹ መተውጡት እንደዚህ ያረጋችሁ ነው ገባ በእነሱ ፍሌቨር ካልሆነ አትወጣም በቃ በእኛ የኛ ሀገር ፍሌቨር ለራሳችን አንዳንዴ ያው ለምሳሌ ሆነ ፈረንጅ መጥቶ እንጀራ ቢቀምስ አንተ እንደምትወደው እንጀራ ይሆናል አይሆንም you know ስለዚህ ያንተ እንጀራ ነው አንደኛ ምናም ብለ ብትሄድ እዛ ናይጄሪያ ምናም ብታይ ፉፉ ነው የሚበሉት ገባ አንተ ፉፉ ብትበላ ደግሞ አይመጣልም ስለዚህ እኛ አንዳንዴ ለዚሁ ለሀገራችን አማርኛ ምናምን እኔ ዘመን እንትን አብሮድ ይሻገራል ብዬ ማለት ይከብደኛል ምክንያቱም አይገባቸውማ በቃ የኛ ቴስት ለኛ ነው የሚገባን አብረን ላደግንበት ምናምን ገባ እዛ ግን ስትሄድ ሌላ ታሪክ ነው ጀለስ እና በእነሱ ሙድ እንደዚህ እየሰከስሽ ካልሆነ አይወጣም ከዚህ ሀገር ቢግ አፕ Oh my god Jesus oh Lord hey wow this is another level man another level I wonder ምን ያህል ኮስት ለዚህ ቪዲዮ እንዳወጡ የምር የሚገርም በቃ this is world class man world class
Waiting for me never lose it when you're waiting for me take your time no rushing mommy girl I love it when you're waiting for me Jolie be my Jolie
But the message, hey, hold on, guys. You know, I'm very, very strict about the message. Need better message like, you know, I have a big message like careful ሄዋን message like ያለ ልጁ ያለ ያለውን ሰምታችሁታል I like when she ride upon me ምናምን hear him
Girl, I love it when you ride it for me, for me.
If you know boy and we ain't like that shit but the vibe is crazy man
Be my Jolie, 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 Jolie. Jolie, Jolie. Say me Jolie, 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 Jolie. We go day, we go dem.
Hey.
When the talent day.
hey
Wabagalaza dem.
hey hold it my selector running back my selector oh shit the flow is crazy switch the switch up is crazy man dang wow hey after
Jolie, Jolie, Jolie.
man the dancers too what
We go day, we go dem. The hum when the talent day.
dang
Kwa bagalaza dem. Mode dem. Asai hande. Sihun na gitane undilu. Sihun na gitane undilu. I'm here to stay. I go where you there. Don't listen to what they say. For you,
Okay.
we go validate. Our love we go validate. Oh,
Validate.
salale, salale. I don't hear one bumaye, bumaye. Oh baby salale, salale. Kenga Ethiopia bumaye, bumaye.
hey
Jolie, be my Jolie,
Jolie.
Jolie.
What you say, boy? Hey, run it back, my selector. Hey, Bumbo Clat, yo. Amazing collaboration, amazing flow, man. Hey. I'm speechless, bro. I have no words. The dressing, hey, everything is so spatial, man. The video quality. Who direct this video? Who was the director? Hey, one Kabrod. Arrangement. DJ Mila, yo, respect DJ Mila, man. Yarasachin Somonu, you know, we respect that. Mastering Alex Pro Mix. Big up to you. Oh shit, director Kenny. Oh, that's why the video is crisp. Director Kenny. Matakut kone yenne Diamond Platinums. Yenne baka East African music videos. He's the GOAT, bro, Kenny. Kenya, mana yona. You know, Diamond videos ሲያልቁ የምትሰሙት የመጨረሻ ላይ ምናምን የምትሰሙት ልጅ ነው ዳይሬክተር ኬንያ yo what Kenny not Kenya Kenny whoa respect Kenny let's go Kenya hey Bumbo Clat look how beautiful she was, bro. Yeah. Yo. Dang. Bro, this is gonna be a banger. going to be a banger, bro. Dang. ቀድሜኔ react ማድረጌ በጀኝ man. I wish they don't my video. Please, allow my video to, blow up. Please, Zojax. I'm begging y'all, man. Don't my video. If I stated, yo, ብቻ ግን በጣም ወድጄዋለሁ። በዚህ ቪዲዮ a little bit እንግሊዘኛ አብዝቻለሁ because the tune is international. You know what I mean? Some of Arrow Boys fans might see this video, so that's why I, about English ምናምን ነገር እና ሁላችሁም የወደዳችሁት ይመስለኛል። ቪዲዮውን ግን ደጋግማችሁ ማየት ይኖርባችኋል። ዘፈኑን ደጋግማችሁ መስማት ይኖርባችኋል። but hey one, careful for the message ማለት እፈልጋለሁ። overall ግን I love the vibe. I love the quality of the video, man. And the dancers, wow, shout out to the dancers, man. Yo, big up to the dancers. Yabada music clip, remember? Hey one, respect for giving us this high quality music video and high quality arrangement. Shout out DJ Mila. He's just getting started. So be ready for his album, man. He's working on his album too. The producer DJ Mila is gonna be the top DJs and producers ከኢትዮጵያ ማለት ነው. So I really like this video. Shout out to everyone who participates in this video. ለማለት እንወዳለን. ይመቻችሁ guys. Till the next video, we out.